This is a quick tutorial on how to enter and exit Fastboot mode on a Redmi phone. It covers both steps to get in and out of Fastboot, making it easy for users to navigate this mode. The easiest way to enter Fastboot mode is by rebooting your phone. For older phones, you typically need to press and hold the power button for a few seconds until options like power off and reboot appear. For newer phones like the Redmi Note 13 and above, assuming default settings, you'll need to press both the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. This combination triggers the reboot option. With unchanged settings, you press the power and volume up buttons together for a quick reboot. When the power off or reboot options show up, select Reboot. As soon as the phone screen turns off, immediately press the volume down button. Keep holding it until the Fastboot mode screen with the Fastboot text appears. Just hold the volume down button for a few seconds and you'll be in Fastboot mode in no time. Don't let go. Once you see the Fastboot text on your screen, you can release the volume down button. Your phone is now successfully in Fastboot mode and you're ready to proceed with whatever you need to do next. To exit Fastboot mode, it's super simple. Just press and hold the power button until your phone turns off or the Fastboot text disappears from the screen. As soon as the text vanishes, let go of the power button. Your phone will then boot up normally. After that, your phone will start up as usual and take you to the home screen or lock screen. See, it's not hard at all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials. We'll catch you in the next video.